In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Google Ads with your Shopify store. This integration helps you promote your products, track conversions, and reach more customers through Google advertising. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage apps and integrations connected to your Shopify store. Now click on Shopify App Store and use the search bar to look for Google and YouTube. From the search results, select the official Google and YouTube app for Shopify. Next, click Install to add the app to your store. Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions before continuing, so approve the installation. Once the app is installed, click Connect Google account. You will now be asked to sign in with the Google account you want to use for Google Ads and other Google services. After signing in, review the permissions requested by Shopify and click Continue or Allow to complete the connection. Once connected, your Shopify store will sync with Google services including Google Ads, Google Analytics, and YouTube. You can then create ad campaigns, track conversions, and promote your products directly through Google. This setup helps improve your store visibility and makes it easier to reach potential customers online. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Ads with Shopify. Thanks for watching.